Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to talk about a common question. Can a Wi-Fi owner see your browsing history? First and foremost, let's be clear, your browsing history is private. It's not visible to anyone, including your Wi-Fi owner, unless you give them permission. So, rest assured, your online activities are your own business. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. If you're using a shared computer, your browsing history might be visible to other users. Additionally, if you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network, the network administrator might be able to see your browsing history. But in most cases, your Wi-Fi owner can't see your browsing history without your consent. So, there you have it! Your browsing history is safe and secure. Remember to always use a VPN and keep your online activities private. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech tips and advice. Stay safe and secure online.